If you're seeing the LS-0005 error in Epic Games that says unable to contact patch server, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This is a super common launcher issue, and it usually comes down to a temporary connection problem, a VPN or proxy conflict, or a broken launcher installation. The good news is that in many cases, you can get back into the Epic Games launcher in just a few minutes. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fix tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go ahead and completely close the Epic Games launcher if it's open. Make sure it's not still running in the background, because even when the window is closed, the launcher can sometimes keep a process alive. On Windows, you can right-click the taskbar, open Task Manager, and end any Epic Games launcher processes if needed. Once that's done, reopen the launcher and check if the error is gone. A simple restart often clears out a temporary connection glitch and lets the launcher reach the patch server normally. If the error still appears, the next thing to do is turn off any VPN or proxy service you're using. Epic Games can sometimes block or fail to connect properly when a VPN changes your network route, or when a proxy interferes with the launcher's request to the patch server. If you have a VPN app running, disconnect it fully. If your browser or system proxy is enabled, turn that off as well. After disabling those network tools, restart the Epic Games launcher again and see if it loads correctly. In many cases, this alone fixes the LS-0005 error right away. If you still can't get in, then the launcher itself may be damaged or missing files. At that point, reinstalling the Epic Games launcher is a very good next step. To do that, uninstall the launcher from your computer, then download the latest version directly from Epic Games and install it again. This gives you a fresh copy of the launcher and replaces any corrupted files that might be causing the patch server error. After reinstalling, sign back in and test the launcher again. That fresh install often clears stubborn issues that a normal restart cannot fix. And one important tip, after every step, give the launcher a moment to fully refresh before testing again. Sometimes the error disappears only after the network reconnects and the app reloads properly. So to recap, the main fixes are restarting Epic Games Launcher, turning off VPN or proxy, and reinstalling the launcher if needed. Start with the easiest fix first and move down the list until the error is resolved. If this tutorial helped you fix LS-0005, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, gaming fixes, and quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.